How to color hair brown naturally. Are you looking for a way to color your hair brown without damaging it with harsh chemicals? Well, you're in the right place. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to get a beautiful brown hair color using all natural, kitchen-friendly ingredients. Yes, you heard that right. You can achieve that lovely, rich brown tone without going to a salon or using any box dyes. This method is gentle, nourishing, and you'll notice results right from the very first use. So let's dive into the recipe and see how it's done step by step. We will need coffee. Coffee is known for its natural colorants, and it's one of the oldest tricks in the book for enhancing dark hair tones. Put a cup of water in a saucepan. Make sure you're using clean, filtered water for best results. Now add 1 tablespoon of coffee. Any regular ground coffee will do. Just avoid the flavored ones. Let it boil for 2 minutes. Allow it to simmer gently. This helps the coffee release its full color and nutrients. After the coffee is well boiled, leave it to cool completely. Don't rush this step. Hot coffee can damage your scalp, so it's important to let it reach room temperature. Once it has cooled down, go ahead and filter it. You can use a fine mesh strainer or cheesecloth to remove the grounds. We only want the liquid. We need instant coffee. This intensifies the brown tone and adds depth to the hair color. Put a tablespoon of instant coffee into a clean mixing bowl. This will serve as the base for our paste. Add a tablespoon of cornstarch. Cornstarch will help thicken the mixture and allow it to spread easily through the hair. Now, add a tablespoon of bitter cocoa. Yes, cocoa! It not only enhances the brown tone, but also conditions the hair and gives it a lovely shine. Add the coffee brew we prepared earlier. Pour it in slowly while mixing to avoid any lumps. Mix all ingredients well until you get a smooth consistency. Make sure there are no dry patches or clumps. This will help the application go much more smoothly. Put this mixture in a saucepan again. This time, we're gonna gently cook it to get the right texture. Filter the mixture again to remove any chunks. This step ensures a smooth application without any particles sticking in your hair. Put it on a very low heat. Be patient here. We want it to warm slowly, not burn. Keep stirring continuously without stopping. This is very important to prevent the mixture from sticking or burning. Turn off the stove once you get a creamy mixture. You'll notice the texture turning silky and pudding-like. That's when it's ready. Then leave it to cool down well. Again, never apply hot mixtures to your scalp. Always let them cool completely. At this point, we've made enough for short to medium-length hair. If you have long or thick hair, you can double all the ingredients. That way, you'll have enough to cover your entire head without running short. Now let's boost the nourishing power of this mixture. Add an egg yolk to the cooled mixture. The egg yolk is packed with protein, healthy fats, and vitamins that deeply nourish the hair. Mix well until it blends in smoothly. This step helps make your hair not just colored, but also shiny, strong, and soft. Next, add a tablespoon of white vinegar. This may sound surprising, but white vinegar helps to fix the color onto your hair. It acts like a natural dye fixer. Give the mixture a final stir. It should now be creamy, rich, and ready for application. How to use this natural hair color. Start by brushing out your hair and dividing it into several equal sections. This makes the application cleaner and ensures that every strand is coated. Apply this mixture to each section of the hair. You can use a hair color brush, a comb, or even your fingers with gloves. Whatever you're comfortable with. Be generous with the application. Make sure the hair is well saturated from roots to tips. Once done, leave the mixture on your hair for at least 4 hours. Yes, this requires a bit of patience. But trust me, it's worth it. The longer you leave it on, the deeper the color will be. So if you're going for a more intense brown, you can even leave it overnight. Wrap your hair with a plastic bag or shower cap. This locks in the moisture and warmth, helping the ingredients work better. After the wait, wash your hair as usual with a mild shampoo. Avoid harsh shampoos that strip the natural oils or color. And now for the best part, the results! You will immediately notice a soft brown tone in your hair. It's subtle, shiny, and looks beautifully natural. If your hair is very dark or black, feel free to repeat this process. 2 to 3 times a week can really build up the color gradually. You can even use this recipe to cover gray hair. It works wonderfully and gives a warm, youthful brown tone without the chemical damage. So that's our magical recipe for naturally coloring hair brown using just a few simple ingredients from your kitchen. If you liked this video and found it helpful, please don't forget to click the like button and support our channel. Thank you so much for watching. Until next time, take care and stay naturally beautiful.